Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I will give you demonstration about context menu in the Android. This is Android emulator and here you will find the list of the persons present in the contact, and if I press a long key on any of the contact, then I will get the context menu. Heading of this context menu is select the action, and here I have got two options, call and SMS. If I select call option, then I will get the toast message as calling, and again after pressing long key on any of the name, context menu will be pop up. This time I will select SMS option, therefore I will receive the toast message as a sending SMS. Here I will give you demonstration about how you can implement context menu in your Android application. At the beginning you need to open Android Studio, then you have to click on File, select New, click on New Project. You can select Empty Activity, then click on the Next button. You can give any project name in the name field. For an instance, I will give my project name as context menu implementation. So this is my project name, context menu implementation. Here you have to select language as a Java, then click on the finish button. Now my project has started loading on the Android Studio. This is main activity.java file, and if I click on activity_main.xml file, I will get my activity main.xml file. I will zoom this file. Here you can find by default text view UI widget. I will remove this text view UI widget. Then I will click on legacy, and here second option is list view. I will drag and drop this list view into my activity_main.xml file. Then in order to fix its position throughout the all Android devices, I need to click on this align and set its position horizontally. Thereafter again I need to click on align, and this time I will set this list view's position as a vertically. In this way the position of this list view will be fixed throughout all the devices. Then after selecting list view, I will click on attribute. In this attribute I will mention the list view ID. Here I have mentioned list view as a ID to this list view. Thereafter I will click on this res folder, which is known as resource. Then I will click on layout folder. Here you will find your activity main.xml file. Then to display context menu, you need to create menu XML file. For that purpose, you have to right click on this app, go to the new, select Android resource file. Here you have to select resource type, select resource type as a menu, and I will name this file as a main underscore menu. So I have given the name for this resource file as a menu. Resource type is menu. Then I will click on OK button. Here you can see that menu folder has been created, and in this menu folder you will find your recently created menu_menu.xml file. I will open this file and I will switch to the code mode. So here I will write list of the items. So this is item opening tag. In item opening tag I will mention Android ID, Android:ID. I will set here ID as call, and in the next line I will mention Android title, Android:title. Here I will mention calling as a Android title, call as a Android title. Then I will close this item. Then on the next line I will take another item menu. For that purpose I will mention here open angular bracket, then item. Next I will mention Android:ID. I will set here ID as a SMS. Then on the next line I will mention Android title, that is Android_title. Here I will set SMS as a Android title. Then again I will close this item. So in this main_menu.xml file I have mentioned two item tags. ID of the first item is call and title is call. Here character C I have specified in a uppercase manner. Then in the next item I have mentioned ID as a SMS, and I have set title to this item as SMS. All letters are in uppercase. Then I will switch into the main activity.java file. Here in main activity.java file, first I will create the reference of list view class. So I will call list view class, which is present in android.widget package, and I will set its reference as a list view. Then I will create the array having string data type. First I will declare data type as a string. Then I will mention contact as a array name to this string data type, and here I will set the values present in this string contact array. I will mention 4 names over here, that is Ajay, my next name is Mahesh, Sachin, Gary. So this 4 value in the form of string I have assigned to this string array. Now in onCreate method, I will first assign the ID of this list view, which is I have mentioned as a list view, to the reference of this list view class. So here I have given list view as a reference of this list view class, so I will call this reference list view. Then here I will apply some typecasting methodology. In here I have mentioned list view. Then I will call find view by ID method, and I will assign ID of this list view to the reference of this list view class. And where I will get the ID of list view, it is present in r.id, and here you will find ID name as a list view. Then in the next line I will call ArrayAdapter class. In ArrayAdapter class I will mention string data type, and I will create adapter as a reference of this ArrayAdapter class. Then later on I will create the object. Here I will mention new keyword to create the object of ArrayAdapter class. Here I will mention string data type, and I will pass 3 parameters to this constructor of ArrayAdapter class. First parameter, this as a keyword. My second parameter is Android dot r dot layout dot simple list underscore item 1. This is my second parameter. And my third parameter to this constructor is contact array. This contact array I have declared as an instance of the main activity class. This contact array is an instance variable of this main activity class, and I have passed as an argument to the constructor of ArrayAdapter class. So this is 3 arguments that I have passed to the ArrayAdapter class. First one is this keyword as an argument. Second one is android.r.layout.simple underscore list underscore item 1, comma, and my third argument to this constructor of the ArrayAdapter class is contact array. This is a string array I have created here. Now in the next line I will call list view reference of list view class, and with the help of dot operator I will call here set adapter method. I will pass this adapter object of ArrayAdapter class to the set adapter method. And in the next line I will call register for context menu method. To this register for context menu method I will pass this list view reference as an argument. First I have called setAdapter method with the help of listViewReference of listView class, and I have passed adapter object of the ArrayAdapter class as an argument to this setAdapter method. And in the next line I have called register for context menu method. To this method I have passed listView as a reference. Then after this onCreate method, here I will call onCreateContextMenu overrided method, and to call this overrided method I have to specify @keyword. Then I will write here override keyword, and here I need to search on create context menu method. So here on create context menu method is present. I will simply click on this method and you will get direct definition of this on create context menu method. This is overrided method, and it is present in the app compat activity class, which I have inherited with the help of extends keyword in the main activity class. In this method I will call menu inflator class, and I will create inflator as a reference of this menu inflator class. Then later on, using assignment operator, I will assign get menu inflator method to this reference of menu inflator class. In the next line I will call this reference of menu inflator class, which is inflator, and with the help of dot operator I will call inflate method. In this inflate method I will pass two parameters. First one is r dot menu dot menu underscore menu. So this is my menu file which I have created in the menu folder. My file name is main underscore menu. So to locate this file I need to specify path, that is r dot folder name is menu. This is menu folder, and in this menu folder file name is main underscore menu. So this is file name main underscore menu. Then here I will mention comma operator and I will call menu property. So this menu I will call here. Now on the next line, with the help of this menu property, using dot operator I will call set header title, and within double quote I will pass one string, that is select the action. Now after this on create context menu method I will call another override method, that is on context item selected. To do that I will specify here keyword, then I will call here override implement methods. Then I need to find on context item selected method. Here I will get on context item selected method. I will simply click on this method. The return type of this method is boolean. It means I need to return either true or false to this method. Here I will remove this line of code. Then I will add here one if condition. If I will call this item in this if condition item dot, then I will call get item id method. If item dot get item id is equal to the call here in this main underscore menu.xml file, I have set call as a id to the first item and SMS as a id to the second item. So if r dot id dot call item dot get item id is equal to the r dot id dot call, if this condition is true, then with the help of toast message I will display the message as calling. For that purpose I will call here toast class. With the help of dot operator I will call make text method. In this method I will pass three arguments. First one is get application context method. Second method is message that I want to set, that is calling. Within double quote I will set message as calling, and my third argument is length of this message. To set the length I will call first toast class, then using dot operator I will call length long, then after closing of the parenthesis using dot operator I will call show method in order to display this calling message. Then later on I will mention else if condition. If item dot get item id is equal to the r dot id dot SMS, it means that if user have selected SMS as an option, then I need to specify sending SMS message. Again I will call toast class. Using dot operator I will call make text method. I have to pass three arguments to this method. First one is get application context method, then second argument is message that I want to set, which is sending SMS. I have set this message within a double quote, and using comma separator operator I will mention the duration of this message. For that purpose again I will call toast class dot length long, and to display this sending SMS message using dot operator I will call show method. If both conditions are not true, then in the else section I have to return false, and after this if else if ladder I will set here return true. Since the return type of this on context item selected method is boolean, so this method need to return either true or false. So this is the context menu. Let's see whether it will work or not. Here I have clicked on this run button, and my Android emulator is Pixel 3 XL API R. Now my project has start running. Here I have received the message Gradle invocation finish and there are 0 errors. So this is context menu. Now I will press long key on this search in. Here you can see that context menu has been pop up. Title of this context menu is select the action. First time I will select call as an option. Here I have found the message calling. This is a toast message. Again I will press long key on this name. In this time I will select SMS as an option, and here you can find sending SMS message has been generated as a toast message. You can perform similar action in any of this contact. Here I will select long key on this Ajay, and you can see that context menu option has been pop up. And when I select call as an option, I will get the calling as a toast message, and when I select the SMS as an option, then I will get the sending SMS as a toast message. In this way you can implement context menu in your Android application. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you have really liked this video, then click on the like, thumbs up this video, share this video with the maximum number of people. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then it is humble request to all, please subscribe my YouTube channel.